The Landwirt.com team is traveling again, and this time it has brought us to St. Stefan ob Stainz cunning to Jörg Nestl, who shared his livestock trailer as a DIY project. Hello, Jörg.
Hello, Denise.
Thank you for allowing us to visit. Jörg, you just built this livestock trailer, which also has other uses yourself, and then sent it to us as your DIY project. What were the motives for you to build this trailer?
I observed the Livestock taxi with you in the past, and that is exactly how the idea came about initially. We possess 75 dairy cows, and the pasture is roughly 5 kilometers away. It was exceedingly challenging to transport the animals there due to the limited capacity of the small trailers we had available.
That means, of course, the goal for you was to accommodate as many cows as possible on one trip so that you can take them to the pasture. Did you realize everything here by yourself? How did that come about?
Yes, the trailer is self-built.
What was the reason for constructing the trailer entirely on your own?
Firstly, as a progressive farmer, I consistently sought to find something suitable in case there were any trailers that would be a good fit for me. However, the price-performance ratio did not meet or align with my expectations as I had hoped it would. Then I actually came up with the concept of constructing it on my own.
Why can you do that? Did you have help?
Yes, a close friend assisted me with the dimensions, and he furnished me with access to his workshop, as I am skilled in machine fitting.
What are the special characteristics of this trailer at present, and what were the difficulties in its construction?
Yes, the special feature is that the superstructure can be removed in its entirety, that it can be easily detached, that it has a roof providing protection for the animals from the weather, then a low loader that is equipped with as many tie-down points as possible. Trailer is 2.14 wide and 7.13 long in dimensions.
Your trailer is also utilized for the purpose of transporting bales. What was the motive behind that decision? What is the special characteristic of the trailer?
The special feature is that it has a hydraulic support foot and that you can position the trailer in the field and load the bales using a towing vehicle and just one person.
How many bales and especially how many cows fit on your trailer?
Moreover, cows have about 10 to 12 rental service spots, while bales have roughly 20 round bale spots available for use.
Are there any particular requirements that need to be considered for the tractor when towing the trailer?
No, it can actually be connected to any towing vehicle that has an air brake system.
Construction duration and project cost in actuality?
We initiated the project with the intern during the summer and dedicated a week to working on the trailer chassis. Subsequently, it consistently took place during the autumn work, whenever we had the time, and continued throughout the winter, as a matter of fact. The expenses incurred amounted to approximately 10,000 euros in total.
In comparison, what would a new trailer or even a used one where you have researched have cost?
In magnitude, reckon with 25,000 to 30,000 euros for the order.
So that was a big savings for you? Yes. If you were to build the project again now, would you do anything differently?
I simply want to place a rubber mat for the animals in order to make it more resistant to slipping. I might contemplate making a switchback. This enables you to decrease the height of the trailer at the back and shorten the length of the loading ramp while still preserving the same angle of incline.
Thanks, Jörg, for presenting your project. And viewers, if you've also realized DIY projects, feel free to send them to Landwirt.com. We look forward to your submissions and would be happy to visit the best projects.
Landwirt.com, der Online-Marktplatz für die Landwirtschaft.